Okay, so percentages of a quantity, intermediate tier, as you can see, is D and E grade. Okay, so this is the lower end of intermediate tier, and you'll find that this skill is what you'll need, what you need to obviously answer quite a few other questions at intermediate tier. So it's an essential skill that you really need to know. Now, there's a calculator way and a non-calculator way. Whereas I'm going to start off the non-calculator method, and then I will show you then like the calculator, which is quite a bit easier than the non-calc. However, you still need to understand where the numbers have come from. So hopefully this will help. So let's have a nice easy question to start off. We need to find 20% of 180. Okay, it could be pounds, could be kilograms, anything like that. But let's just look at the numbers first. Right, the biggest tip I can give you for finding a percentage of a quantity is to find 10% first. Okay, so make a note of it. Tip, find 10%, and I'll put a cloud around it. Okay, and the way you find 10% is by dividing by 10, because 10 goes into 100 10 times. If I wanted to find 50%, I would divide it by 2, because 50 goes into 100 twice. So divide by 10 to find 10%. I'll even make a note of that there for you, by dividing by 10. So I need to find 10% of 180. Now 10% divided by 10 gives me an answer of 18. Now I've got my 10%, I can easily find 20% by just doubling or multiplying by 2. So 18 times 2 is 36. So 20% of 180 is 36 by finding 10% first. Now, if I wanted to find 36% of 4,000, slightly bigger number. My tip, find 10% first. 10% would be 400, just by dividing that by 10. Okay, so if that's 10%, then 30% would obviously I'd multiply this by 3 to get 1,200. So I've got the 30 part, I now need the 6%. Now, if I find 1%, then to get from 10% to 1%, I need to divide by 10. So if I divide this by 10, I get 40. So 1% is 40. But I don't need 1%, I need to find 6%. However, I can use that 1% to find 6%. Times it by 6 to get 240. So now, to find 36%, I need my 30% and my 6%. So I'm going to add these two numbers together. 1,200, add 240, be careful with place value, 0,441. Therefore, 1,440 is 36% of 4,000. Find 10% first, find 1%, multiply it by how many times you need, then obviously add them together. That's the non-calculator way. Now, you could have maybe divided by 5 to find 20%. Yes, you could have. However, there is a method that we call the multiplier method. Okay, so the multiplier method here, I have to find something to multiply these two together in order to get my 1,440. And the way I do that is by converting this 36% into a decimal. Now, to get 36% into a decimal, I need to divide it by 100. Okay, now 36 divided by 100 is 0.36. Of means times 4,000. Pop that in the calculator. 1,440. So to use the calculator, first thing, convert percentage to decimal. I'll put here divide by 100. Second step, multiply by quantity. Okay, the quantity is the number in the question, okay, the amount. As I say before, it might be money, it might be weight, it might be anything really. We need to find percentage of a quantity, convert to decimal, multiply. Non-calculator, find 10% first. Use it to work out everything else. Calculator method, convert to decimal, multiply by quantity. Easy as that. Write down some notes, have a go.